Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Skype on Android phone. This tutorial is for Android, but the process is similar for any other device. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Locate the Google Play Store app. It's usually represented by a white shopping bag with a colorful Play icon. Tap on it to open the Play Store. Inside the Google Play Store, you'll find a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it, type Skype, and press the search button. You should see Skype appear in the search results. It is typically the first result since it's a popular app. Tap on Skype to open the app's page. On the Skype app page, you'll find an Install button. Tap on it to begin the installation process. The Play Store will start downloading and installing Skype on your phone. The length of time it takes will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap on it to launch Skype. If you already have a Skype account, you can sign in with your credentials, email/username, and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. With the setup complete, you can now start using Skype on your Android phone. You can make audio or video calls, send messages, and use other features available on the app. I hope this video was of help. Bye.